Hi everyone! In this video, we will go through the basics of using NoveList Plus, available with your library card. NoveList Plus is a great tool to help users to find their next great read. NoveList Plus is a database available through our website. First, go to Research and Support. Then click on Educational Resources. On the Educational Resources page, scroll down. In the list of resources, there is NoveList Plus and NoveList Plus K-8. NoveList Plus K-8 is aimed at school children up to grade 8, while NoveList Plus incorporates all ages. Click on NoveList Plus. Finally, click on View NoveList Plus. A login page will pop up where you will have to enter your library card number. Click Sign In. You will be taken to the NoveList Plus homepage. The search bar is located at the top of the page. Lists of titles that feature certain characteristics can be found in the middle of the page. Finally, certain genres and lists can be found on the left-hand side. In the search bar, users can search by keyword, title, author, series, and narrator. Keywords allow users to search for books by topic, title, author, series, or narrator. In this example, we searched for beach. You are then taken to a page with all of the results. Along the top, users can narrow down the results between books, audiobooks, series, authors, and lists. On the left side of the page, you can narrow down the results by audience, publication date, and other characteristics. When searching by title, the system will suggest possible titles. In this example, we are searching for A Mind Spread Out on the Ground by Alicia Elliott. The titles page gives a lot of information about the title, including a quick description and descriptive words to describe the title, such as thought-provoking. If users scroll down to the bottom of the page, users can see reviews of the title and see more details on the book. Below that, users can also search for titles with the same characteristics themes. Check the boxes of the desired characteristics and then click Search. On the right side of the page are read-alikes. These titles are suggestions for readers who enjoyed the title on the left. Users can hover over each suggested title and see all of its details, including the reasoning behind the suggestion. If users click on the title, they can be taken to its page, read reviews, and see read-alikes for that title. Using the author search, users can search for an author by name. In this example, we are searching for Canadian author David Sheriandi. The results will show all of the author's titles as well as author read-alikes to the right. Users can also search by series. In this example, we have searched for the Inspector Armand Gamache Mysteries by Canadian author Louise Penny. Similar to other pages, there will be a short description of the series. If users scroll down to the bottom of the page, users can see all of the titles in the series in order. On the right side of the page, there are series read-alikes. Finally, users can search for narrators for audiobooks. In this example, we searched for Janina Edwards. The results will show all audiobooks by that narrator, and the narrator's page will give similar information to an author's page. The advanced search feature can be useful if a basic search turns up too many results. At the top of the page, users can enter multiple search terms. At the bottom of the page, users can limit the results, including by audience or publication date, and even audiobook running time. When ready, click Search. For more information, the How Do I section can help with tips and tricks while using NoveList Plus. Discover your next read, explore NoveList, and discover all of our other electronic resources available for free with your Halton Hills Public Library card.